Did you know some of the most amazing animals only come out at night? Let's meet 5 famous nocturnal creatures. The owl, known for silent flight and sharp night vision, a top nocturnal predator. The bat, the only flying mammal, uses echolocation to hunt insects in total darkness. The fennec fox, with big ears, for cooling and hearing prey, underground at night. The ai, a rare lemur from Madagascar, using its long finger to find bugs in wood. The slow loris, cute but toxic, one of the only venomous mammals in the world. Which animal amazed you the most? Comment below and don't forget to like and follow for more wild facts.